Hello, and welcome to this dialogue about renting an apartment. In this conversation, we will look at simple English phrases that you can use when searching for a place to live, talking to a landlord, and asking important questions. Renting an apartment means that you pay money every month to live in a place that belongs to someone else. This is very common in many cities. When you rent an apartment, you usually need to understand the price, the location, the size of the apartment, and the conditions of the rental agreement. In this dialogue, we will use simple and clear English. The goal is to help you communicate in real-life situations, even if your level of English is not very high. You will learn how to ask questions, give answers, and understand basic information about an apartment. When people rent an apartment, they often ask questions like, how much is the rent? Is it furnished? Are utilities included? Is there internet? How many rooms are there? These questions help you get important details before making a decision. You may also need to describe what you are looking for. I am looking for a small apartment. I need one bedroom. I want an apartment near the city center. My budget is limited. In this dialogue, we will simulate a conversation between a person looking for an apartment and a landlord or agent. You will see how to ask questions, understand answers, and respond politely. Remember, you do not need advanced grammar. Short and clear sentences are enough. The most important thing is to communicate your needs and understand the basic information. Now we will continue the dialogue and show how to start a conversation when asking about renting an apartment. In real life, this can happen by phone, in person, or through a message. Let's imagine a simple conversation between a person looking for an apartment and a landlord or agent. Tenant, hello, I am interested in renting an apartment. Landlord, hello. Sure, I can help you. What are you looking for? Tenant, I am looking for a one-bedroom apartment. At the beginning of the conversation, it is important to clearly say what you need. You can describe your preferences. I need a quiet place. I prefer an apartment near public transport. My budget is around $500 per month. The landlord may ask you questions to understand your needs better. How many people will live in the apartment? When do you want to move in? What is your budget? You can answer in simple sentences. Only one person. I want to move in next month. My budget is about $500. Here is another part of the dialogue. Landlord, we have a one-bedroom apartment available. Tenant, that sounds good. How much is the rent? Landlord, it is $450 per month. Tenant, is it furnished? This shows how the conversation naturally continues with basic questions. It is also useful to ask about the location and surroundings. Where is the apartment located? Is it close to a supermarket? Is there a bus or metro nearby? These questions help you understand if the apartment is convenient for your daily life. You can also show interest politely. That sounds good. I am interested. Can I get more details, please? Remember to speak clearly and use simple phrases. You do not need long sentences. Short questions and answers are enough to communicate effectively. Now we continue the conversation and focus on asking detailed questions about the apartment. This step is very important because you need to understand all the conditions before you decide to rent. Let's continue the dialogue. Tenant, can you tell me more about the apartment? Landlord, of course. What would you like to know? Tenant, is the apartment furnished? This is a very common question. Furnished means the apartment has furniture like a bed, sofa, table, and chairs. Landlord, yes, it is fully furnished. Tenant, great. Are utilities included in the rent? Utilities usually mean water, electricity, gas, and sometimes internet. Landlord, water is included, but electricity is not. Tenant, okay, thank you. Is there internet in the apartment? Landlord, yes, high-speed internet is available. You can also ask about the size and layout of the apartment. How many rooms are there? Is there a kitchen and a bathroom? Is there a balcony? Landlord, there is one bedroom, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a small balcony. Tenant, that sounds good. Another important topic is the condition of the apartment. Tenant, is the apartment clean and in good condition? Landlord, yes, it was recently renovated. You may also ask about rules and restrictions. Are pets allowed? Is smoking allowed? What are the house rules? Landlord, pets are not allowed, and smoking is not allowed inside the apartment. Tenant, I understand. Here are more useful questions you can ask. How much is the deposit? A deposit is required to rent the apartment. How long is the contract? Is there a minimum rental period? Can I see the apartment before renting? For example, tenant, can I see the apartment? Landlord, yes, we can arrange a viewing tomorrow. Tenant, perfect. What time? Landlord, at 10 a.m. Tenant, okay, thank you. When asking questions, try to be clear and polite. Use phrases like, can you tell me? Could you explain? I would like to know. Do you have information about? Also, listen carefully to the answers. If something is not clear, you can ask again. Sorry, can you repeat that? I didn't understand. Could you explain again? It is important to gather all the details before making a decision. This includes rent, utilities, furniture, location, rules, and contract terms. Now we will continue the dialogue and focus on viewing the apartment in person and expressing your opinion. This is an important step because you can see the real condition of the apartment and decide if it meets your expectations. Let's imagine the conversation during a viewing. Landlord, welcome. This is the apartment. Tenant, thank you. It looks nice. When you enter the apartment, you can describe what you see using simple English. Tenant, the room is bright. Tenant, the space is good. Tenant, the kitchen looks clean. The landlord may explain more details. Landlord, this is the living room, and here is the bedroom. Tenant, okay. It is quite spacious. During the viewing, you can ask additional questions about the apartment. Does the heating work well? Is there air conditioning? How old are the appliances? Is the water always available? Landlord, yes, everything works properly. Tenant, that's good to know. You can also check practical things such as noise, light, and comfort. Tenant, is it quiet here at night? Landlord, yes, it is a quiet neighborhood. Tenant, there is a lot of natural light. I like that. It is important to express your opinion clearly. If you like the apartment, you can say, I like this apartment. It looks good to me. I am interested in renting it. If you are not sure, you can say, I need some time to think. I will let you know later. I will discuss it with my family. If something does not meet your expectations, you can politely mention it. The kitchen is a bit small. I was expecting a bigger room. The price is a little high for me. Here is a short example. Tenant, I like the apartment. It is clean and comfortable. Landlord, great. Are you interested? Tenant, yes, but I need some time to decide. Landlord, of course. Remember to stay polite and honest during the viewing. Use simple phrases to describe what you see and how you feel about the apartment. Now we continue the dialogue and focus on discussing the price, deposit, and rental conditions. This is a very important part of renting an apartment because you need to understand all the financial details and rules before making a final decision. Let's continue the conversation. Tenant, the apartment looks good. How much is the rent? Landlord, the rent is $450 per month. Tenant, is the price fixed? Sometimes the price may be fixed, and sometimes there is a small possibility to negotiate. Landlord, yes, the price is fixed. Tenant, okay, thank you. Next, the tenant asks about the deposit. Tenant, how much is the deposit? Landlord, the deposit is 1 month's rent. Tenant, when do I need to pay the deposit? Landlord, you pay it before moving in. A deposit is usually money you pay in advance and get back when you leave, if the apartment is in good condition. Tenant, is the deposit refundable? Landlord, yes, it will be returned at the end of the contract if everything is fine. Now let's talk about the rental conditions. Tenant, how long is the rental contract? Landlord, the contract is for 1 year. Tenant, can I leave earlier if needed? Landlord, yes, but you need to give 1 month's notice. You can also ask about payment methods. Tenant, how do I pay the rent? Landlord, you can pay by bank transfer. Tenant, when is the rent due? Landlord, the rent is due at the beginning of each month. It is also useful to clarify additional costs. Tenant, are there any extra fees? Landlord, you only pay electricity and internet separately. Tenant, okay, I understand. Here is another short example. Tenant, the rent is within my budget. Landlord, great. Would you like to proceed? Tenant, yes, I am interested. At this stage, it is important to make sure you understand everything clearly. Do not hesitate to ask questions if something is not clear. Can you explain the contract again? What is included in the rent? Are there any hidden costs? Always check the price, deposit, payment terms, contract length, and additional expenses before agreeing. Now we are at the final part of the dialogue. In this block, we will talk about making the final decision, signing the contract, and preparing to move into the apartment. Let's continue the conversation. Tenant: I would like to rent the apartment. Landlord: great. We can proceed with the contract. Tenant: okay, what do I need to do next? At this stage, the landlord usually explains the contract and the next steps. Landlord: first, we will prepare the rental agreement. You need to sign it and pay the deposit. Tenant: understood. Landlord: please read the contract carefully. Tenant: I will. It is important to read the contract and check all details, such as rent, deposit, duration, and rules. If something is not clear, you should ask. Tenant: can you explain this part, please? Landlord: of course. Tenant: is everything included in this contract? Landlord: yes, all the terms are written here. After reviewing the contract, the tenant signs it. Tenant: everything looks fine. I will sign the contract. Landlord: thank you. Next, the payment is completed. Tenant: here is the deposit. Landlord: thank you. I confirm the payment. Now the landlord may give instructions about moving in. Landlord: you can move in on Monday. Tenant: great. What time can I come? Landlord: after 9 a.m. Tenant: perfect, thank you. The landlord may also provide keys and additional information. Landlord: here are the keys. Tenant: thank you very much. Landlord: welcome to your new apartment. Tenant: thank you. I appreciate it. Here is a final short example of a complete ending. Tenant: I am happy with the apartment. Landlord: I am glad to hear that. Tenant: thank you for your help. Landlord: you're welcome. Good luck with your new home. At the end of the process, you should feel confident that you understand the agreement and are ready to move in. Always make sure everything is clear before signing and paying.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.